Hey friends, I know I forget to ask a lot of times, but if you're enjoying our videos that me and Carrie make, or Carrie and I, yes, Carrie and I make, help us out. Join our van tribe. Subscribe. Alrighty. So tonight, I'm going to make some pizzadillas. It's a new invention. Let's see how it works out. I'm gonna use this instead of our electric grill. Pizzadilla! Alright, so a pizzadilla is basically a couple of great value microwave pizzas, microwave cheese, and I got microwave cheese, and I got microwave pepperoni. So I'll make one of each on the the pizzadilla, sorry. Alright, so I need my handle. And is there enough light in here? Hopefully. Posted a thing on Facebook saying we needed a friend that can help us build an app. And now I'm getting like 400 calls and messages and text saying, hey, I heard you needed an app built, but there's people I don't know, so I don't need an app built by somebody I don't know. That's that. So sorry for ya. All right, so we're clipped in there, lock that into place, do the fancy turn on that I learned how to do recently. And we're gonna do one pizzadilla at a time. So hopefully these are a little thawed out, because I left them out of the freezer. Just put them in the fridge. So yeah, they're good. They're perfect. So these are gonna be good. I have a feeling I'm on to something here. Oh. One pizza down on the burner. And get the other one opened up. No idea if this is even gonna work, but I think it will, because everybody needs a pizzadilla in their life. Alright, so this one is going to go on top like that. I'll show you what I'm doing here in a minute. It should be interesting. Pizzadilla, pizzadilla. Alright, let's show you what's going on over here. I just got this gimbal, so I don't really know how to use it. But let's see if I can turn this around. Alright, pretty good. So we will see how it goes. Look there. Oh yeah, look at that. Kind of wonky. All right, so let's get our spatula out. Oh, I hope I have a big spatula. Pretty sure I do. It's pretty crazy how cold it is for April in Jacksonville, Florida. It's like, I don't know, it feels like it's like 50 degrees out here. I should put some Pam on here or something. Oh, yeah, Pizzadilla looking good. So the key to making these the right way, I have a feeling, is you've got to make sure they're not frozen. Because if they're frozen, they're probably going to take a lot longer to cook. Oh, that's fine. So, I'm going to use 2 plates for pizzadillas. 1 plate for each one of us. And it's going to work out pretty good. We'll stop there, and then I will show you how I cut it when I get done with the pizza cutter, quesadilla cutter, pizzadilla cutter. They're looking good. Nice and brown on the bottom. All right. About done with the first pizzadilla, and I'll have to cut it. All right, I'm going to attempt to cut the pizzadilla now with my pizzadilla cutter.
How's it going?
Dang it.
Oh, that's good.
It's friggin', I'm not used to this gimbal. Yes, right there. All right. This is your pizzadilla.
Looks a little steaming hot, though. I might have to wait a little bit. Looks delicious. So what is the
Yours is,
ingredients?
well, they're both the same.
What is it?
Pepperoni
Okay.
and cheese. So one side of the pizzadilla is pepperoni, and the other side is cheese.
That looks amazing.
Yes.
Getting that
So, you want to wait a minute?
Yeah, looks like it might be a little too
You
hot.
might
I don't
burn
want
yourself up. I'll start
to.
the
Let
other
me
one.
see. Here. Oh, I don't know. That's hot. Yeah, that'll burn my mouth.
Okay. All right, here comes number 2. Pizzadilla number 2. You know what? It would have been good? Some Pam on the
No, we don't.
bottom.
use
We don't use Pam.
No.
Oh, we're
Toxic.
healthy. We're too healthy for that.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Oh, hold on.
Not all these things.
My pizzadilla is gonna be burnt.
I mean, this is okay once in a while.
Oh, you know what? Turn the fan on so we don't have a.
Oh gosh.
Alarm
yeah,
incident.
I want that again. Oh my God, what was that? Oh, is it? Oh, it's the wind outside. Oh my gosh, it's so windy outside. Take out the.
All right, that was a successful pizzadilla flip right there. There's only been like 2 successful pizzadilla flips in history, and both of them were by me.
Nobody makes pizzadillas like Todd. Yeah, I'll hold it while you do the other flip part. What are you doing?
Put it on me and then hit the trigger one time, and I'll put a square on my face.
Trigger.
Trigger's right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it on my face?
Yep.
No, it's
It's
following
following
me.
you. Yep.
Okay. Pizzadilla is a family recipe. Goes back very many years. Mama Carolyn used to make pizzadillas. Just kidding. She made me health food. That's why I like this. So these are about done. We're about ready to dine. Carrie's pizzadilla is probably cold by now.
No,
You
it's
think
good.
so?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pizzadilla are almost ready to go. Get a look over there. We're about to eat them. Yes.
Now it is. Yeah.
Alright, I think mine's done. Should be done. Let's cut my pizzadilla. Turn this burner off. Alright. That is a perfect case. Dang it, I keep calling it quesadilla. That is a pizzadilla.
Pizza.
Alrighty. It is time to eat.
I mean, so.
Mm.
Mmm.
Oh my gosh,
actually
it's
pretty
so good.
Okay.